In this video, guys, we are going to create an animated video like this.
The journey of Leilani on the sun-kissed shores of the island of Kalana, where the waves danced to the rhythm of the wind, lived Leilani, a young girl with a heart as boundless as the ocean. One day, while walking along the shore, Leilani found an ancient shell glowing faintly in the sand. As she touched it, the ocean swirled around her feet, whispering a destiny she could not ignore. Leilani sought the wisdom of the village elders, who told her of the ancient prophecy. A chosen one would restore balance to the ocean's heart, now darkened by an unknown force. Determined to save her people and the ocean she loved, Leilani set sail on a small canoe, guided by the stars and the whispers of the waves. Her journey led her to the depths of the sea, where she encountered Timona, the playful but wise guardian of the deep, who agreed to help if she proved her courage. Leilani ventured into the dark abyss, where the ocean's heart lay guarded by a swirling vortex of shadows. With courage and compassion, Leilani placed the glowing shell at the center of the vortex, releasing a surge of light that drove the darkness away. Leilani returned to Kalana, greeted as a hero by her people. The ocean sparkled with new life, forever grateful to the girl who answered its call.
You can use this animated video to start a YouTube channel talking about this kind of stories, or you can also use these animated videos to start a YouTube channel on African folktales or any story that you want to start your channel on. You can post this style of video on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, and you can monetize your account using this animated story. You can also animate any image of your choice using the website that we are about to work on today. So to get started, we need to come over to ChatGPT so that we'll be able to write our script. And when you come to ChatGPT, I'll provide you with this prompt. For those that need this prompt, let me know in the comment section of this video and I'll send this prompt over to you. So when you come to ChatGPT, you are going to enter this particular prompt. So in this prompt, I said I want to create an AI animated story about Moana. Please give me a script with narrations and prompts to generate images of related scene. The prompt should be well detailed and simple. Also add style. So this is the style I want to use for the AI image that I want to create. Whimsical 3D pixel style at the end of each prompt. Okay, so now let's just send that, and after sending that, this was the script that the AI came up with. So let me show you this script. So this is the opening scene. So this is the title of this. So it's saying the journey of Leilani. So that is the title of the story. So when you come down, it's going to give you this particular opening scene. So this particular opening scene is saying the island of Kalana narration. So on the sun-kissed shores of this, so this is the scene. So if you can see, this is the prompt that I will use to create the AI image for this scene. So I don't need to start typing in AI prompt to use for this my story. With just that simple prompt, is going to give me this script, adding the AI image prompt that I will be needing for each of this scene. So you can see this is the entire script. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy on this narration. So this is the narration I'm going to copy. So I'm going to copy this, and now I'll come over to my Google Doc. I'll arrange all the entire script in Google Docs. So this is the entire script for my story. So now it's time for me to generate voiceover from this story. There are different AI text-to-speech websites that you can use to generate your voiceover, but for this video I'll be using SpeechMa. But let me give you some AI voice text-to-speech website that you can use. You can use ClipCharm, you can use 11 Labs, you can use this particular website that I'm using, SpeechMa. You can also use FlexClip. Okay, so for this AI voiceover website I've just mentioned, ClipCharm is totally for free, and this particular website, SpeechMa, is for free. So as of the time of recording this video, this website is free. So now I'll copy my entire script. So let me just copy this entire script. Then I'll come over to this AI voiceover website and I'm going to paste my script. So now I've pasted in my script. So this is my entire script. So what we will need to do is to select the voiceover actor that we want to use for this script. If you want to use a female voiceover actor, then you can come over here and select all genders. Then from here I'm going to select female or male as the case may be. So let me pick a male voiceover. Then over here you select your language. So if you want to do this in any language, you can select the language. I'll select English as the language that I need. Then here you can select your country. Okay, now after selecting all these are the AI voiceover that is available for that. So you can click on this play button to listen to how this AI voice sounds like.
Welcome to SpeechMa, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click.
Welcome to SpeechMa, where
So that is how those AI voices sounds like. So if you are satisfied with any of them, you simply click on one of them, and when that is being selected, you come over here and click on generate audio to generate your audio, and after some few minutes your audio is going to be generated. So if you come over here, this is the audio. You can click on this play to listen to the audio, or you can click on this download button to download your audio. This website is available on your mobile phone, so you can use it on your mobile phone. So now it's time for us to generate our AI image that we need for our story. To generate your AI image that we need for our story, we can use Microsoft Bing, which give you 15 points for free, or you can use Google Image Effects. I've done a complete tutorial on how to use this Google Image Effects. So if you need that video, I'll leave it down in the comment section or also in the description of this video. So now this is the Image Effects website. This website is completely free as of the time of recording this video. Okay, so you can take full advantage of this website. So now let's go back to our prompt, and from here we are going to copy the image prompt for the first scene. So this is the first scene. So we'll copy this prompt, and now we are going to go to image effects, and from here you click inside here and paste in your prompt. So now I've just pasted in my prompt. So from here you are going to come down and you do some little settings here. So this is on settings. I'll click on this arrow. So from here you can select either you need a square size, a portrait size, a landscape size, or any of these sizes. I'll be going with landscape size because I'll be using this for YouTube video. So after selecting my size, I will come over here and make sure this particular one is selected. This one is selected. Then you come over here and click on create. Now, while that is being created on the image effects, let's try to create this same image on Microsoft Bing, and then we'll compare this image. So I'll go over to Microsoft Bing. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign in. Okay, so I'll come over to Microsoft Bing. I'll paste in that same prompt here, and here I'll click on create. Now we'll go back to image effects. So from here, this is the image that was generated. Let me open up this image so that we'll see how it looks like. So this is the first image, and this is the second image. This is the third image. So any of this image, if you're satisfied with this, you can come here and click on this download button, and this images is going to be downloaded to your device. Okay, let's go back to the Microsoft Bing, and let's see the kind of image that we have gotten from here. So I'll open up this image. So this is the image from Microsoft Bing. So any of this image quality that you want to make use of, you can go ahead and come over here, then click on this download button to download this image. For those using the free version, I'm using the paid version. That is why I'm having a landscape image straight. So if you are using the free version, then you are going to have a square size. So you come over here, open the image, and come over here, then click on this resize. If you click on the resize, you will see this option landscape and square size. You are going to resize from the square size image to landscape size. So that is settled. So we are going to do this for each of our image prompt. We'll go to scene 2, and we'll also generate AI image for this particular scene 2. So you are going to do this for all your scene. Get your AI image for each of these scene ready. So these are my AI image after generating for each of my scene. So after I've gotten that, it's time for us to go over to this particular website called Hallo AI. So what this website does is that it transforms your image to video. It is very good, and I've used this. So you can see the example of what I've done using this website. You can see there's no distortion. So now let's go ahead and make use of this website. So first you will come over to this website, hailuoai.video. So when you get to this website, you are going to sign up using your Google account, or you go over to the registration and simply sign up. When you sign up, you come to this particular interface, and when you get to this interface, you are going to come here and click on create. When you click on create, you will come over to this other interface. So from here we have two options here. We have image to video and we have text to video. So you can also generate video from just typing in text. Okay, so if you are going after the text to video, you can use that. If you are going after the image to video, you can also use that. But for this video, we'll be using image to video. So for that, we will come over here and upload our image that we want to animate. So this is the first image you want to animate. So you come here and click on this upload. So what it's going to do is going to take you to your device. This website is also available on mobile phone. So from my device, I'm going to go over to where my images are. So I'll go to my download, and this is the first image that I want to animate. So what I'm going to do, I'll select the image, then click on open, and this is the image. So your image is going to load up, and after loading up, you will come down here. This particular place is where you are going to enter what you want to achieve from this image. So let's say, for example, this particular image, I want the camera to zoom in on the image. So I'll say I want, so just as simple as that. That is what I want to achieve with this image. So after writing in that, you come over here and click on this button where you see generate. So what it's going to do is going to take up 30 coins from here. While you are generating, is going to take up 30 coins. So you are going to click on that, and your image is going to start generating. So after some time, this is the result of what I've gotten. So let's play this and we'll see. So you can see how perfect and cool, realistic this animation is. So after your generation, you are going to come over here, and from this place you are going to see this download button. Just click on this, and your animation is going to be downloaded to your device. So you are going to do this for all your scene, animating all these images for your entire video scene. So after animating all my image for each of my scene, this is the outcome of all my videos that I've just animated. Now let's put it together and bring it out as a video using CapCut. So here we are on CapCut. If you don't know what CapCut is, we use CapCut to edit video. It's available on mobile phone. It's also available on your laptop. So if you are using your mobile phone, simply go to Play Store and install CapCut. After installing, you will see this style of interface. So you click on create project to start editing your video. So when you get to this CapCut, you come here and click on import video. So now we want to import every resources that we need to edit our video. So we're importing the animated video that we have just done. Then we import the voiceover and also the background music that we need for this our editing. So click on import, and it's going to take you to your files where you can select all this audio that you need for your video. So these are all my resources. After selecting it, you come here and click on open, and my files has been imported. So now what you are going to do is to bring in your audio, which is the voiceover that we have just generated. So this is the audio. Just come over here. When you over your mouse over it, you are going to see this plus icon. So we are going to add it to track, and after adding our voiceover to track, we need to expand this voiceover. So you come over here, you click on this particular button called zoom in. So we are going to zoom in so that we can see all these lines over our voiceover. So let's zoom in again. All right, so we have this. So now we are going to know where the voice stops and where we are going to add our video. So now let's play this voiceover and we'll listen to how it is.
The journey of Leilani on the sun-kissed shores of the island of Kalana, where the waves dance to the rhythm of the wind, lived Leilani, a young girl with a heart as boundless as the ocean. One day, while walking...
So you can see that. So we need to add that. So from our script, we know where we'll add our videos to it. So this particular video is our first video. So I'm going to click on it, then drag it over here. So we have this video. All right. So now we need this video to expand from here to and get to this particular location. So how do we do that? We need to duplicate the video. So because this particular animated image is just 6 seconds, so we need to duplicate it, and to do that we need to add again. So we have this. So we want it to get to this particular location, so let's add it again, and now we are going to trim this part off, and we have this. So let's play this video and we'll see.
The journey of Leilani on the sun-kissed shores of the island of Kalana, where the waves dance to the rhythm of the wind, lived Leilani, a young girl with a heart as boundless as the ocean. One day...
Okay, so from where it says one day, we need to add the second animated image. So this is the second one, so we'll click and drag it over here. So let's play and see where we need to stop.
One day, while walking along the shore, Leilani found an ancient shell glowing faintly in the sand. As she touched it, the ocean swirled around her feet, whispering a destiny she could not ignore. Leilani sought the wisdom of the village elders.
Alright, so we need to stop here. So we need to add this second video to get to that position. So we need to duplicate this. So we have this and stop here. So let's play this and we'll see.
One day, while walking along the shore, Leilani found an ancient shell glowing faintly in the sand. As she touched it, the ocean swirled around her feet, whispering a destiny she could not ignore.
Alright, so you can see that. So you are going to listen to your voiceover while you are adding your animated image according to your voiceover. And after adding those stuff, then you can go ahead to add your sound effect. So you can see the beginning of the video, it was talking about ocean wave. So what we need to do there is to add ocean wave, okay? Ocean wave sound effect. So there are different websites that you can get this sound effect from. But we are going to use the sound effect here on CapCut to use this. So to get this sound effect, you will come over here where you see audio. So click on audio. So from here you can see we have sound effect. So click on sound effect, and from this particular search bar you can search for any sound effect that you're looking for. So we are going to search for ocean wave. So these are different ocean wave sounds, so you can play it and listen to how it sounds like. So that is too much. So I like that particular ocean wave sound. So what we are going to do is to click and drag it to our track. So click and drag it. So we are going to bring it down under our video. Okay, so now that the sound wave has been added to our video, we need to reduce the sound. We need to reduce the volume of this ocean wave so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover that we have. So select the sound wave, and from here you are going to go over to your right hand side. So we use this particular option to reduce this sound. So let's play and we'll see.
The journey of Leilani.
Okay, it's much again, so let's reduce that down. So we need to increase the sound of our voiceover. So do the same thing, we are going to increase it. So let's play this and we'll see the outcome.
The journey of Leilani on the sun-kissed shores of the island of Kalana, where the waves dance to the rhythm of the wind.
So you can see the sound wave under it. So it's going to give life to our video. So if you are doing a different kind of video, you are going to add this sound effect according to the type of video that you are working on. So after this, you can add your background music under your video, and then you go ahead to export your video. If you need to try this out, then let me know in the comment section of this video, and I will provide you the prompts that I use in this video.